welcome to the night, man. We are stopped on the Taco Bell. We got the M6 convertible downpipe tune. We got the Hellcat, you know what I'm saying, 730 to the wheel. We got my boy Q Slime Bunny, fellow Fast Life Prince. Downpipe. Oh, everybody fast tonight, and this cat just passed, so let's go catch his ass up. But we're gonna go down to the tunnel, man. We're gonna have some fun. Got my baby next to me. Hey, baby. We're gonna keep traction on tonight because the tires are done and we don't want to hear pop. No, that was Evan. Oh. Turn off your flash.
Where Q at?
Q there, but there's someone, man. Is it Q there? Fast Life Prince real. Play my boy Evan, man. Shit, that shit is crazy. That's that M6. All right. Oh God! Right on my ears, Zach. Yo, what do you say? Ah, baby? Yo, baby, you feeling hard?
Yes.
No, feel that one, feel it down. Yo, hear me I say, road thing, custom mode. Cause you know, we need a little bit of traction. These tires are done, and we mean business. We don't mean sideways. We mean action, straightforward road.
Where's Q?
Q's right behind Evan.
Oh?
My boy Q got downpipes and
yeah, Q cars.
Fast now, fast life, real fast life Prince. You know what I'm saying? Before it was Fast Life Prince, now it is Fast Life Prince. Okay? So check out my boy Fast Life Prince. Q's right there.
I'm first I ever seen Q keep up like that.
He's Fast Life Prince now. Met the right. Fast Life Prince now, dog. Well, Fast Life Prince. Fast Life Prince now, dog.
Smoothie.
know this Woody King.
We need to go to a club.
What kind of club you want to go, baby? Go club?
Skin out.
Bomba club! She says skin out. Probably chicks that I like the different.
Dang, what I can't do is a truck.
Bomba, the audio go on board though. Continue right, Evan. Or do we go right? Oh, buckler!
Bomba!
Go.
Yeah, coming for you.
I'm good, man. Three-quarter gas can you use that? I'm using three-quarter gas, people. Ooh, a Ferrari. Oh shit.
You get your light.
With Bonkyo. Guys, the cruise ain't finished yet. We just stopped halfway, but I mean, which one are you taking? Are you taking the M6 with a downpipe, the tune popping like crazy, shooting shots in my ears? Or are you taking the Q50? Damn, look at the interior. Damn, why you showing off, dog? Damn. Plus, he does this himself, so if you want lights like this on your inside, hit him up. Fast Life Prince. M6 got it too. Damn, I'm the only one without the lights, ain't it? Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you taking the Infinity, you know, Green Lantern, Slime Bunny Q, downpipe? Or are you taking the Cat, 730 wheel horsepower, upper pulley, injectors, spark plugs, tune? Which one are you taking, man? Put it in the comments down below. I feel like that shit's true flames. I feel like it's true flames, yeah. Ain't no way that shit don't shoot flames. That's an M3.
That's not even moving.
She said that's not even moving. Damn, baby. Well, ladies and gents, I hope y'all enjoy this cruise, man. We're gonna try and let the boys go in front of us right now so you can hear their cars. But if you did enjoy this cruise, hit the thumbs up button, drop that like, you know what I'm saying? Share it with your friends, share it with the homies, share it with your grandma, your sister, your brother, your uncle, the one who you don't like, the one who you do like. Share it with everybody. I don't want to be a dear, I want it to be true. But yeah, if you like the M6, put a black heart in the comments. If you like the Slime Bunny, put a green heart in the comments. If you like the blue cat Mama Smurf, put a blue heart in the comments, man. Other than that, we're gonna go through that tunnel one more time and that'll be it. Follow everybody Instagram, Fast Life Prince. We got Junior_7Gen Selly. We got cheers, Candy Cute Face
21.
and we got Casio. And everything will be in the description, okay? Alright, you ready to record it now?
Hey, Big Daddy.
Oh, I can hear them pops. Ooh, the M6. What that? What that? Like that shit? Yeah?
What's someone trying to do? I'm just looking at your fork, yeah.
I let me say to I'm here another bimmer. Let me say what is the next bimmer there?
Yeah, run my game, that's a bit.
No grip. No. No seatbelt tight.
Tight like a wool.
See him, yeah? See it, dog, yeah? See him, yeah?
Okay.
Alright, my G, I see it. Yo, you gotta just follow us on Instagram, bro. We gotta link up.
Bro, let's do it. That shit's crazy, bro.
Is it tuned?
What up?
Is it tuned?
Yeah, stage 2.
How much power?
Like 560.
Okay.
Fucking got what, like 800?
730 to the wheel.
That's crazy. Is it to the limit?
Yeah, but me and the boys doing a cruise out tonight, you know? We just finished our cruise. We're about to head home.
Yeah.
But yo, we gotta link up, my G.
Say less, bro. My name's Chris Rodriguez. I'm about to follow you.
Alright, Robert.
Alright, bro. Nice to meet you.
Alright, you too, homie.
Just follow you, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna follow you back.
Oh, man.
You're cool.
Yeah, he cool. Chris Rodriguez, follow me on Instagram. Random dude, we just met with the M4. Them? Got something for them, it's called Flames.
find me the hook. Baby, find me the hook.